Okay, how to pack a camper van. More like how to not pack a camper van. But if you're interested in how I pack mine, then keep on watching. Okay, so I just finished working out. I don't even know. I don't even know how I ended up here. I found myself driving on the interstate, headed to New Mexico. Seen the sign for Planet Fitness. I found myself veering off on that exit. Found myself getting dressed, getting out of the car, and going to work out. But I'm glad I did it because I feel good. I showered. Took a nice long hot shower in there. So that was nice. My plan was to get back on the highway and head up to New Mexico. However, I think I may want to stick around here for the night, find a good parking spot that has good Wi-Fi, do some work on the computer. I haven't did work in a couple days, and then come back here tomorrow morning to the gym, and then getting back on the road to head to New Mexico. Anywho, so this van has, I've tried to do my best at getting it together, but just, I have not put it in dinette mode since I've been back in the van, mainly because I knew it was going to be a driving week, right? And pretty much driving every day of the week, and I just wanted to be able to park somewhere, crawl into bed. That's it. However, I feel like everything is really discombobulated with my clothes situation and how I've sorted out the packing cubes and my cabinets and my overhead cabinet. There's just a lot. So mind you, because I have two big old AGM batteries and the electrical setup that I have, all of my under my dinette storage benches, all of my all of the storage underneath my benches are spoken for. So I don't have any room underneath there. When I upgrade, I will get that situated. But until then, everything that I have and possess in this van has to fit in my upper cabinets and my shower. I have these packing cubes that I got from Amazon, right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So one of these serve the purpose of my pants. That's not supposed to be in there. So I have 3 pair of jeans, some workout pants, some pants, just pants in general, okay? I did an overkill on my packing. Yes, okay. Did I don't know. I'll just get rid of stuff as I go along or when I get back home or whatever. But FYI, I have not worn 2 of the pair of the jeans that I brought. Nor have I wore the black pants or the skirt. So I could have went for at least 2 pairs of jeans and called it a day. No more pants. All right, that's that. The other big one here serves as, let me do a little explanation. My intentions were to have a packing cube for the summer clothes because I did not plan on going back home anytime soon. I knew that it would be hotter in the west coast, where I'm at, and it's getting hot. So I wanted to have like summery clothes. I have not even worn anything from this packing cube since I've been on the road. A waste. So this medium-sized packing cube is serving as my comfortable shirts, comfortable pants, pajamas, just more comfortable things that I do frequently use. And then this smaller one serves for underwear. I love underwear. I love underwear. I am a hoarder of underwear. I did try to hold back and not bring as much underwear, whatever, from home, but it is what it is. And the other smaller one serves as bras and socks. Okay, now the problem I'm having, stored some things under here that I don't even know what I'm gonna do with. I mean, it felt like everything fit before I went home for the holidays. Now I have extra stuff and I don't know where it came from. I didn't bring anything back, but I just feel like I don't have any room for anything. I'm going to try to reorganize this here, the 2 bigger packing cubes, and put things that I wear often and things that I don't wear often separately. And then just kind of reorganize the packing cubes.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back.
Okay, so I think I figured it out. Things, again, bulky items and stuff that I didn't find myself grabbing for at all are in my suitcase. Okay, cool. I still have these packing cubes. So still have some bottoms that I do grab often. They will go into this cabinet here. This one here is still something that I don't grab at all. So I'm going to put this one here on the bottom because I don't grab it at all. This one goes on top of that one.
Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. Yeah, you know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like.
Alright, I no longer have clothes sitting in limbo underneath the dinette set. And that was my main concern. Just having clothes laying around. I don't like that. I just feel discombobulated with things all over the place. So everything is put away in a place. It has a designated spot. And like little one-off items like my nighttime socks when it's cold, just tuck them somewhere. I have a little bit more storage in this closet here. It's a utility slash spice closet. So in that closet, I have this bin, and it also fits my brooms and my mop, right? So in that little tub, I have my 2 coats. They're 2 totally different coats, okay? So I do need them. I'm gonna put my coat back in there because I, took it out to go back home. I'm gonna put my coat in there and try to see if any extra stuff can go in there because I feel like that closet is a little cluttered every time I walk in there or every time I open the closet. So let's see how that goes.
I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back.
Got that situated. Now that we have the clothes situation situated, I guess I can show you the other 2 or 3 cabinets that I have. So the other 2 are literally toiletries. It's bad. It's real bad. But there's nothing else I can do about it. This here serves as my curling irons, hot comb, stuff like that. I have these 2 crates here. This serves as contacts, my perfume, deodorant, band-aids, kind of like a junk thing, my electric toothbrush. It may sound bad, but I have horrible. I haven't had horrible menstrual cycle in the last 2 months. But just in case I do, I have my naproxen and my extra strength ibuprofen. So that helps with that. I don't want to be in a situation where I ran out and I'm sitting there looking like who shot that rabbit. Okay, so anywho, the next crate is my hair thing. Y'all are like, girl, you are doing too much. I know. this is just hair. I probably don't understand if you ain't got no hair, but that's what it is. And then I have like shampoo and conditioner. Then I have this mirror thing to do my makeup and my hair. It folds, it comes on a stand, but it folds, it lights up and all that good stuff. I really don't care if you got something to say about it. It is what it is. I have a lot of junk. Valuables, I should say. And this is my van. The next cabinet is more toiletries. This literally serves as my facial stuff. So all of my cleansers, hydrators, exfoliants, moisturizers stuff is in here. I don't feel like taking that out, but you get the gist. My makeup brushes, extra nail makeup toiletry stuff, and then like some more stuff that I do use. So then going over to this one, this is my utility one. So I have an extra light that I have on the outsides of the vehicle. I have my drill. I don't know how to use it, but it's there just in case someone wants to teach me along the way. I have some of the manuals that I do need to keep on hand with me. I have some batteries, some just, you know, utility stuff. And this is my, I'm not sure if I showed you guys before, but this is my breaker stuff. So just in case something, a fuse blows, I can just switch out the breaker. I really don't know what to tell y'all, but do what's best for you. This will probably be titled How to Pack Your Van, but it probably fits along the line of how to not pack your van, because a lot of the things that I do have, I would say my clothes in particularly, I could have left a lot of stuff behind. And the thing is surprising, is shocking, is because I cut back so much just to even put stuff in here. I cut back a lot. I didn't bring a lot. I still have tons of stuff back at home that I didn't bring in the van. But in all reality, I could have cut back a lot more. Now, I will say that once I upgrade my system and have the smaller batteries, the lithium batteries, I probably will have more room in the bench area to give myself some wiggle room. However, being that I'm going to cut back anyways, there's no telling how I'm going to repack everything. But as far as the clothes, I could have left some stuff behind. I will say some of the hair stuff, products, okay, I could have left behind. But as far as the other toiletries, my skincare stuff, makeup, that ain't going nowhere. So other than that, that's pretty much what my van looks like. I would say 60%. It's not Instagram ready. It's not photo ready. The bed will probably not be made for the rest of the week just because I'm going to be driving. But that's all I have to say about that. Guys, I appreciate y'all. Again, if you didn't notice in the description box that I do have a timestamp there for all of the scenes within this video and going forward. So if you want to hop around different scenes within a video, go into the description box and follow and click on the timestamp. That way you can hop around in the video. Another thing that I want to let you know is I do have all of the places that I've stayed personally, and that is Antoinette approved, on my website, AntoinetteYvonne.com/vanlife. You can also find all of the information pertaining to this van on that page. You can find the builder information. You can find Amazon clicks and where I got certain things on that website. So head on over to AntoinetteYvonne.com/vanlife. You will find everything that you guys have been asking me about on that page. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for all the love. If you haven't done so already, please like, share, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. But until then, guys, stay inspired, keep dreaming, and be blessed.
The way back and close, I'm 18 years. When I glow